And in Jonathan's house, this is one of the things I accomplished. He's been wanting it so bad. Well, I found a little tiny ceiling fan with a short down rod for his tiny house. And he's staying with Grandma this week, so he hasn't seen it in person yet. But I sent him a picture of it, and he said his famous, "I like it, I like it, I like it, I love it." So he likes it, and I'll show you. We it actually looked like it was made to match his light back there, so that's pretty cool. But here's what we did to make it easier for him. We didn't want him having to pull on the chains and all that. Daddy's did the switches, one for the light and one for the fan. So when you hit this one, you get light. And when you hit the second one, you get fan. So everything, that way he'll be able to just leave it on. He can just walk through his door and he can turn on the light without the fan, and so on and so forth. So he loves it. It's perfect size. It's like little, I think it's 30 inch, so perfect. We found it on sale, and then it was a Memorial Day sale at our favorite home base. So yeah, we got 20% off of everything. You can't beat that. It's good. Everything's moving along. So back to the wiring over.